Hey, it's Nina. Today I'm doing something a little different. I'm actually trying out Ipsy. So Ipsy is basically getting 5 products in the mail. It's basically like a surprise gift every month. And I heard a lot about this online and I'm like, oh my god, I gotta try it out. I took a quiz online on the Ipsy app and I answered several questions about what kind of products I like and what my skin tone is, what I prefer, do I like skincare or not. This is actually from September. I've been so busy and I didn't get any time to open it. I'm gonna open this Ipsy box for the very first time in front of you guys and see what the heck is inside and test out their products. I had selected all animal cruelty free products on the app, so hopefully I did receive all animal cruelty free products. So let's get started. This is a brush. Oh, I was right. I didn't look at anything else. This is super soft. This is how it looks like. It's very pretty. It's sleek. I love the shape. I love the glam, the metallic piece to it as well. This brush is 100% vegan and cruelty free. I usually don't use a bunch of contour, but let's see how it looks when I use it. Okay, I feel a pouch. Oh yeah, you get a pouch in like every order too. Ooh, oh my gosh, how cute. I love this. So it says Ipsy on this. Let's open it. Oh my god, how exciting. Let's see what I get. Okay, Day to Night Cool Eyeshadow Palette. It says PYT Beauty. Oh, why do I always do that? Okay, so I got 4 eyeshadow shades, so that's something you could wear every day, and this dark color for your evening look. PYT Beauty is also animal cruelty free, so I'm very happy to hear that. Okay, what is this? Super Curling and Lifting Mascara from Benefit. Very cute packaging. As you know, Benefit is usually black and pink. What is this? Glam Glow Bright Eyes, Hollywood, California. Illuminating Anti-Fatigue Eye Cream. This is what I need in my life right now. Look how cute this packaging is. Oh my god. Alright, I'm not so sure if this one is animal cruelty free or not. Alright, let's see what the next product is. Ooh, okay. Murad Acne Control Clarifying Cleanser. I actually really like Murad products. They are animal cruelty free. It's a clarifying cleanser and that's good for everyone to use on their face. I am going to use this off camera. I'm gonna put it on my face, wash it with some cool water, and I'll come back to give my review. Alright, I'm back from washing my face. It was really nice. When I put it on, I could smell like something like minty. That's how it kind of smells like minty Vicks, but less strong. My skin feels great as usual. I don't expect nothing less from Murad because they are such a good skincare company. Okay, the next product I'm going to apply is the Glam Glow Bright Eyes. I'm gonna use this cute little thing under my eyes. This feels really nice to the touch. I can feel that my skin is moisturized under my eyes. I'm just gonna wait 5 minutes, wait for my skin to soak up the product. Everyone should use eye cream. I think it's really, really important once you're in your 20s. So I'm just gonna use this Wet n Wild foundation and I'll be right back. And I did my lips with the NARS Lip Stain Pencil. I'm going to use the Nyx Sculpt and Highlight. It's really soft. And wow, look at that. That was so quick. All in all, I give this brush 10 out of 10. I mean, it did what it was supposed to do. It's so soft and it blends in your contour instantly. So I highly recommend this brush. Okay, now it's time. So I'm gonna use this. This is a really nice base color. Now I'm going to use this in my crease line. Okay, because I have brown skin, I can't see that color. So I'm going to just blend it out with this. I tried to use my brush to blend it into my crease line, but it seems to be disappearing a little bit. Alright, I'm going to use my fingers because I can see it on my skin, but I know that the camera can't really see it that well. I'm gonna see if I can make this darker by using my fingers. is definitely more visible and more pigmented. Now you can see the exact color on my skin right now. So this purple is now a little bit more visible. I'm just going to use this. Ooh, look at that. I'm going to use this all over my eyelid. I'm going to use a small round brush and I'm going to use this darker shade and use it under my eye. PYT mini day to night eyeshadow look. I think this is perfect to have in your purse when you don't need a lot of tools. You can create a look in a matter of seconds with this eyeshadow. They're trying to say less is more. For our next product, we're going to use the Benefit mascara. Before I use the mascara by Benefit, I'm gonna do my eyeliner real quick off camera. This is how the wand looks like. It has made my eyelashes look so long, like, look at them. It looks really beautiful. It applied the perfect amount of product to each and every lash. All in all, I really enjoyed my Ipsy prescription box because look at this beautiful look. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I am very happy with the neutrals and the skincare products that they provided me with because this is definitely something that I had asked for. Here's a montage of me modeling my makeup. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. It was so much fun to try out all these products. If you want me to do one for the month of October that I received, please let me know. I literally have it right here. So if you want me to open it and have another video for those products, please let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!